Hey everyone, are you looking for a natural way to supercharge your health? What if I told you there's a soothing tea that can do just that? Stick around, because today we're unlocking the incredible health benefits of passion flower tea, a beverage that's as calming as it is powerful. Unlock the power of passion flower tea, 10 health benefits you need to know. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Beyour Health, and in today's video, we're diving deep into the top 10 health benefits of passion flower tea. Plus, we'll share some fascinating history and easy ways to incorporate this calming tea into your daily routine. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we jump into the benefits, let's take a quick trip back in time. Did you know passion flower has been used for centuries? Native to the Americas, passion flower was first used by indigenous peoples for its medicinal properties. It wasn't just a pretty plant, it was a powerful healer. Spanish explorers brought passion flower back to Europe, where it quickly became a staple in herbal medicine. This plant has a rich history of healing, making it a timeless addition to your health regimen. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. Let's get started. Segment 1, reduces anxiety and stress. Alright, let's talk about how passion flower tea can help you unwind. Passion flower tea is renowned for its calming effects, helping to reduce anxiety and stress by boosting gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of passion flower tea after a long day, an easy way to promote relaxation and peace of mind. Segment 2, improves sleep quality. Next up, let's talk about sleep. Passion flower tea acts as a mild sedative, making it effective for treating insomnia and improving overall sleep quality. Struggling with sleepless nights? Try a cup of passion flower tea before bed, it might just become your new bedtime ritual for a restful night. Segment 3, alleviates pain. Now, let's dive into pain relief. Passion flower tea has analgesic properties that can help alleviate various types of pain, including headaches and muscle cramps. A warm compress, for pain relief. Feeling sore after a workout? A soothing cup of passion flower tea could help reduce pain and speed up recovery. Pretty cool, right? Segment 4, anti-inflammatory effects. Let's talk about inflammation. Passion flower tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and relieve conditions like arthritis. Think of passion flower tea as a natural way to support your body's inflammatory response. Adding a cup to your daily routine can make a big difference. Segment 5, supports heart health. Passion flower tea may help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health due to its ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. It helps blood flowing smoothly through vessels. With passion flower tea in your diet, you'll be supporting your heart health in a gentle, natural way. Segment 6, eases menstrual discomfort. Moving on, let's talk about menstrual health. Passion flower tea can help ease symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, and menstrual cramps by relaxing the nervous system and reducing pain. Ever feel discomfort during your period? Try a cup of passion flower tea, it might just become your new best friend during that time of the month. Segment 7, digestive aid. Passion flower tea promotes digestion and can help alleviate gastrointestinal issues like indigestion, gas, and constipation. Feeling bloated after a meal? A cup of passion flower tea can help keep your digestion running smoothly. Segment 8, boosts mood. By increasing levels of GABA, passion flower tea can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Feeling happy and relaxed, and mood enhancement. Incorporating passion flower tea into your routine can provide a natural boost to your mood. Segment 9, antioxidant properties. Finally, passion flower tea contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals, protecting the body from oxidative stress and potential chronic diseases. With passion flower tea in your diet, you'll be giving your body the support it needs to stay healthy and strong. Interactive break, quiz time. Okay, time for a quick quiz. Which indigenous peoples first used passion flower? Was it A, the Native Americans, B, the Mayans and Aztecs, or C, the Incas? Comment below with your answer. If you guessed A, the Native Americans, you're right. Great job. Storytime break, real-life testimonial. Now, let's hear a real-life story from Jana, who experienced amazing benefits from adding passion flower tea to her routine. Jana, can you share your journey with us? Jana. Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Jana. I started drinking passion flower tea a year ago to help with my anxiety and improve my sleep. Since then, I've noticed a significant improvement in my overall well-being. I feel more relaxed, my sleep quality has improved, and I'm much happier. I highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for sharing, Jana. It's amazing to hear how passion flower tea has positively impacted your life. Recipe 1. Passion flower lemon balm tea. Alright, let's make something delicious. First up, we have a soothing passion flower lemon balm tea. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon dried passion flower. 1 teaspoon dried lemon balm. 1 cup boiling water. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Combine dried passion flower and lemon balm in a teapot or infuser. 2. Pour boiling water over the herbs and let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Strain the tea, add honey if desired, and enjoy a relaxing cup. Recipe 2. Passion flower chamomile tea. Next, let's create a calming blend with passion flower chamomile tea. Perfect for winding down in the evening. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon dried passion flower. 1 teaspoon dried chamomile. 1 cup boiling water. 1 slice of lemon, optional. Instructions. 1. Combine dried passion flower and chamomile in a teapot or infuser. 2. Pour boiling water over the herbs and let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Strain the tea, add a slice of lemon if desired, and enjoy a calming cup before bed. Recipe 3. Passion flower lavender tea. And finally, let's make a fragrant and relaxing passion flower lavender tea. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon dried passion flower. Half teaspoon dried lavender. 1 cup boiling water. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Combine dried passion flower and lavender in a teapot or infuser. 2. Pour boiling water over the herbs and let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Strain the tea, add honey if desired, and enjoy a soothing, aromatic cup. Tips. By adding passion flower tea to your routine, you can take advantage of its remarkable health benefits and connect with its rich history. Remember, it's all about making small changes that lead to big results. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, and stay healthy.